Pine needles, also known as pine needles, are the leaves of plants in the Pinaceae family, shaped like needles. Pine needles are usually dark green or light green. Some species turn golden yellow or brown in autumn. Let's use the microscope to examine a cross-section of a pine needle. Under the microscope, we can see a beautifully detailed cross-section of the pine needle, revealing various tissues and structures, including the epidermis, hypodermis, endodermis, resin ducts, mesophyll tissue, and vascular bundles. The outer protective layer of the pine needle is called the epidermis. It shields the leaf from external damage. Beneath the epidermis, we see tightly packed cells that make up the hypodermis and endodermis, which support and protect the needle structure. The mesophyll tissue and resin ducts are between the hypodermis and endodermis. The mesophyll tissue, composed of mesophyll cells, is like a large factory that performs photosynthesis. The resin ducts are unique to pine needles and are used for excreting waste and defending against insects and fungi. In the middle of the pine needle cross-section, surrounded by the endodermis, we find the vascular bundles. These bundles have a network of tubular structures. The vascular bundles are essential for transporting water and nutrients from the roots to the needle, helping the pine tree grow strong and healthy. Now that we understand the structure and function of pine needles, do you know what pine needles are used for? Pine needles contain essential oils, lignans, abiotic acid, and flavonoids, which offer health benefits such as supporting blood lipid regulation, lowering blood pressure, combating aging, improving sleep, and boosting immunity. But don't go out and eat pine needles. Instead, you can use pine needle oil and extracts. Additionally, pine needle oil and extracts can be used in industries like dyes, soaps, cosmetics, and chemicals.